Okay guys, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to backwash your filter. Basically what you've got is you've got your multi-port over here where the little lug over here is sitting in the filter cavity. Before you actually backwash, you actually turn your pump off, come back to the filter, depress the lever, swing it all the way around and lock it in place in backwash. Switch the pump on so water is running through. And then you have a look through your sight glass over here. You'll see the sight glass as the water runs through will start getting dirtier and dirtier. You normally backwash for give or take 3 minutes. Once that's done, once the sight glass is relatively clean and clear, switch your pump back off, depress the lever, turn it all the way on to rinse, switch your pump back on, and then again check your sight glass to make sure that it's relatively clean and clear. That should take roughly 30 seconds. Again, once it's clean and clear, switch your pump off again, depress the multi-port lever, locate it in filter, and turn the system back on, and that's it. Voila, that should be done roughly once a week.